So guys, imagine guys kalau kereta ni masuk ke negara kita ni, the GWM Tank 700. This is one of the most powerful SUV dari GWM which menggunakan teknologi Hi4-Z. Now guys, I'm not gonna talk more about this car because I already talked about it, but who knows, GWM Brunei akan bawa masuk. And if we want to know more, not from my perspective, why don't we ask Mr. Aiman Yaman, one of the content creator based in Dubai, and also he's an entrepreneur. He's a perfect person bercakap pasal the GWM Tank 700.
So, other than we're matching in the same color, you know, we're twinning with this car. The Tank 700 Hi4-Z is, let's say this, it's a beast. On the road and off-road. This car looks like a beast, acts like a beast, and it has a V6 engine, twin turbo. I don't know what else it has, 500 plus horsepower. So this is a beast over here. We've been thinking of getting one. We've been thinking, honestly, we want to sell one of our cars and get one of the Tank 700. You know, other than the people of Brunei, they're loving, they're hospitable, they're amazing, and clearly they got good taste. Clearly. Look at that. Guys, God bless you and keep shining. Stay the same, don't change.
GWM, go with more.